In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Google Calendar with Slack. This is a simple setup, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day workflow. Once everything is connected, you can get meeting reminders inside Slack, quickly check your schedule, receive daily summaries, and even have your Slack status automatically change when you're in a meeting. It's a great way to stay organized without constantly switching between apps. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. In the left sidebar, click on More or Automations, depending on your version, and then choose Apps. In the search bar, type Google Calendar. When you see the official Google Calendar app built by Slack, click Add or Add to Slack. This will open a secure authorization page in your browser. From there, click Add to Slack again, then select Allow to grant permission for the integration. After the app is installed in your workspace, the next part is connecting your Google account. Head back to Slack, and in the left sidebar under Apps, click Google Calendar. On the Home tab, select Connect an Account. A sign-in window will appear where you can choose the Google account you want to use and sign in securely. After that, click Allow to complete the connection. At this point, your Google Calendar account is officially linked to Slack. If you use more than one calendar, you can choose exactly which calendars you want Slack to sync with. Open the Google Calendar app in Slack, go to the Home tab, and click Settings. If you're setting it up for the first time, you may see Connect Calendar instead. Under Accounts, use the drop-down menu to pick the calendar you want to track. If needed, open the drop-down again to add additional calendars, such as shared team calendars, and then click Done. One of the most useful features is automatic status syncing. In the Google Calendar app's Home tab, open Settings and find the option to sync your Slack status with Google Calendar. Turn that setting on, then click Done. Now, whenever your calendar shows you as busy in a meeting, Slack will automatically reflect that status for your teammates. You can also fine-tune your alerts so they're helpful without becoming overwhelming. In Settings, click Notification Preferences. Here, you can choose when meeting reminders appear, such as 1, 5, or 10 minutes before an event starts. You can also enable a daily schedule summary that gets sent to Slack each morning. When you're happy with your choices, click Update and then Done. And once the integration is live, you can use handy / commands like gcal today, gcal tomorrow, gcal settings, and gcal create to manage your calendar even faster right from Slack. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in